Hello, I'm Rosalind Belandia. I live in Tunja. I have two children, and I study in the UNAID for distance. I talk about vacation, last vacation. In December the 28th, I traveled with my family to Tayrona Park in Santa Marta, Colombia. It's an indigenous reserve rich in natural and cultural biodiversity like that of the Kogi ethnic group. In the reserve, we celebrate New Year. I know it's set here in New Year, and I stayed in here in January, in February. I don't remember. February. In this reserve, we celebrate New Year's, we worked, we swam in the sea, and we saw many beautiful sunny and storm landscapes. In this moment, the pandemic, we have not been able to make any trip, but we hope that in 2021 we will be on a great cruise with many people with whom we are working to change our lifestyle. A company that we have known as that has allowed us to grow and individuals and with income and saving by bullying everyone at home online and with great discounts. We will also travel to San Agustin because I am graduating this year and my children next year are on vacation. Thanks so much. Bye bye.